Hi everyone, welcome to our Lightning Web Components project journey. This session is about the introduction and a quick demonstration about the project that we are going to be building. And in this project, we'll delve into crafting a comprehensive contact management system using the power of Lightning Web Components. And our system will seamlessly integrate fundamentals, like the basic fundamentals of DML operations, encompassing functionalities such as creating a record, reading a record, editing and deleting contacts. All right. And additionally, we'll enhance our application with few additional capabilities such as bulk deletion and also an intuitive contact search feature. And also, as we navigate through the project, we'll also acquaint ourselves with various other pivotal features such as how to show toast notifications and how to actually implement real-time data updates like the auto refresh of the pages, and then how to actually create a model pop-up and how to implement any logic using lightning record edit forms and much more. So now, just to set the stage, let me walk you through a brief demonstration of this prototype component so that it will give you a clear picture of the end goal. All right. So this is the sample component that I've created. Here you can see I have this table which is displaying all the contacts which exist in the system. Okay, so I'm fetching the contact and displaying the contact in this tabular format. And along with the data display, we also have actions for edit and delete, which is available in this particular column with respect to each and every contact. So wherever you click, you will find these two actions available. Right. And along with that, we have a contact creation button here, and then bulk delete and also the search. So let's just go ahead and try out all these one by one. So in the search contact, if I provide any random characters to search for the contact, then it will show me the data if there is any matching results. For example, this one, right? Ashley. And if I type in anything else, it will. So basically the table data is reducing as per the search characters, whatever I'm providing. Okay, so this is the search functionality. And then, so this is read and this is search. Now let's just go ahead and try to create a contact. So when I click on new contact, there'll be a screen where I can provide all the details for the contact. And these fields are like, whatever I have kept in the component, right? You can keep additional fields or you can also reduce, like, based on your requirement, whatever you would like to do. So here, and let me just give some data over here. And I'll just click on save. Okay. So once the moment I clicked on save, the model pop-up closed, and also it showed me a toast message that contact got created successfully. And you would have observed that the auto refresh of the page happened, right? I did not have to manually reload the page. Okay, this is the contact that we just created. Okay, this is what that we just created. So this is how this new contact creation is going to work. Now when we come to editing a contact, you just need to select this action, and it is going to present you with the details that is already available on this contact, and then you can edit whatever you want it to. So this, and then let me just save it. So I'm just only updating the first name. Okay, and let me click on save, and here you can see that the details got updated. Okay, so that was a test account. Let me show you with another name. So for example, this one, right, Rose 445. I'm going to correct her name here, and I'll just click on save. So here you can see the data got updated. We got a toast message, the auto refresh happened, right? And also the model pop-up got closed automatically. Okay. Now let's just go ahead and try delete. So if you click on delete, then this particular contact will be deleted. You will get a toast message, and also the data will auto refresh. This table will auto refresh. So delete, and here you can see. All right. Now, after this, let's just try this bulk deletion. So for this bulk deletion, you first would have to select, multiple contacts, or even if you select one contact, it is still going to work. Okay, so I am selecting two random contacts. And if I click on bulk delete, it is going to delete these two contacts, and it is also going to auto refresh the page along with the toast message. All right. So this is what the bulk deletion is all about. So these are the basic functionalities, but trust me, it's not just read, create, edit, and delete, but every step, every additional thing that you're seeing here, right? Starting with when I click on new contact, this model pop up, and this whole lightning record edit form, and then these setup, and then what should happen when I click on cancel, what should happen when I click on save, and then after I save the record, the display of the toast message and the auto refresh of the page. So all these things, you should be knowing how to implement each and every details that you're seeing here, basically, right? And along with that, for example, I'll just give you a quick example of few of the things that a lot of people get confused about. For example, let's say this data table. I'm sure that you would be knowing about lightning data table, and you know that you just need to set up columns, and then you can define lightning data table in your template file, and then you just need to write an apex method to fetch the contacts, and then pass, basically read that, import that method in your JS file, read it using wire or imperative method, and then pass that data to the template file and just display it using the lightning data table, right? But for example, this one, right, this is like a hierarchical structure, right? Contact, then under contact, I'm displaying the name here, right? So for example, these things are not that straightforward, right? So you will also be learning these kind of stuff as well, that when you are in such challenges where you kind of get a lookup how to display the name, or how to even fetch the information inside level 2, right? So those kind of things will also be covering in the session going forward. Okay, but this was only about the introduction and the demo. So that's it about this session, and I'll see you in the next one.